I want to show you how to use the Spiceful rice that we have in our range. It's quite a nice looking spice. So over here I've got some rice with the spice on it. That's still cooking a little bit. But just to show you the versatility of it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on some roast potatoes. And what this does, it keeps the color and it also adds to the salt content to the potato and makes it just yummy. We're just going to sprinkle that on, and again, just get your hand there. Try and cut the potatoes with the spice. And then I'm just going to put this in the oven for about 30 minutes. So just to show you how the spice works on the rice, makes it a nice yellow color, just like that. So you can just have a quick yellow rice made from that. And then of course if you want to make a savory rice, there's always your leftover vegetables. Just add that into it, mix it around, and you have a lovely rice dish.